Okay, that's crazy. My Forex Funds, one of the biggest prop firms out there, just got shut down by regulators. So let's talk about why they got shut down, what's going to happen next, if this is going to happen to other prop firms like FTMO, Funded Trading Plus, Fidelcrest, the Funded Trader. There's so many prop firms out there. Is it going to happen to them as well, top tier as well, or what is going to happen next? And also, what are maybe the alternatives? Obviously, a lot of what I say is based on assumptions, but since I own a prop firm myself and I have a lot of experience in this business, I think I can make good assumptions. So why did they get shut down? They got shut down by US and Canadian regulators. They basically froze their bank accounts, so they don't have access to the money, and without access to their bank accounts, they can obviously not pay the traders, because as far as I know, my Forex Funds is a pure B-book prop firm, so they don't actually have any live accounts. It's written live account, but they have their own broker, so they can write whatever they want. And it's actually just a demo account. There's no trade ever been executed on the live market. It's just all B-book, demo, and then, and I mean, it's profitable because most traders lose, and then the one trader who makes money, they just pay this trader with the money from the failed challenges. That's how it works. And now they don't have access to this money anymore, so they can obviously they cannot operate, so they're down. It was said that there's like on September 11, they have a hearing, I think in court or in front of these regulators, and then we will see what's going to happen. But me personally, I say it's over. My Forex Funds is out of the business, or it's going to take so long to get this solved. By then the reputation is down, the revenue is down, and someone's going to take over the market, you know. And also, like all multi-level marketing companies that have always said, we're temporarily shut down, we will come back, but then they were gone. Same with XRP. I mean, they got sued and it took years and years for the first decision of the court, and then it came out, and it was positive for XRP, pumped, and then it dumped again. So who knows what's going to happen, but obviously it hurts the business. So then, is this going to happen to FTMO as well? To be honest, I don't know. FTMO is structured in a very similar way. They also offer their services to Americans and Canadians, but I don't know if they have bank accounts in the US. The problem here is that these prop firms, they offer trading services, financial services, they accept fiat payments, and they pay out in fiat, and they're not regulated. So it used to be gray zone. I heard rumors that this is going to happen. I heard them already in January. And now it just, now it happened. Now the matrix has striked and they got shut down. I think it can happen to FTMO as well, or maybe at least that they are not allowed to operate in the US anymore or offer their services to Americans or Canadians, because these countries are just super restricted, you know. So it can happen to FTMO as well, who knows, because they're structured the same way. But FTMO is registered in the Czech Republic, as far as I know. I don't know where my Forex Funds is registered, but I assume that most of these prop firms, they have bank accounts in different countries. So probably FTMO has bank accounts in the US as well. But who knows how much they're going to be affected if this money gets frozen. Obviously, when you have, let's say, you're not a US resident and you have an LLC in the US, you can obviously save a lot of taxes because you don't pay taxes there. There's, not in general, but there's some ways you can avoid a lot of taxes. So who knows if they're registered there as well, or if they have at least some money there which can be frozen. I personally say all prop firms that are registered in the US are at risk. So this is going to be the Funded Trader, top tier. This is going to be Funded Trading Plus is in the UK, I think. Fidelcrest, I don't know if they're in Australia or if they are in the US, but in general, I would say all prop firms that are registered in the US and have money in the US, eventually they're going to get shut down. It's like in crypto. First they sued XRP. Then it took some time, then they sued so many altcoin projects. That's what they do, these regulators, you know. So I say it can happen to all of them that are registered in the US, or at least the big ones who have money in the US. I have a prop firm myself. We are not going to be affected because from day one on, we only accept the crypto because we knew we're going to run into problems if we offer these services, if we offer funding and we accept fiat payments and we pay out in fiat. We knew that that's going to lead to issues. We have informed ourselves before we even started the prop firm because obviously we have broker insiders. One guy in our team has amazing contacts. He just told us we're not going to do it. It's sooner or later these prop firms are going to get shut down exactly for this reason. So to us it's not going to happen. Also, we're registered in a jurisdiction where we cannot get shut down, not anytime soon. Plus we only offer crypto payment and we only pay out in crypto, so we're not even an exchange. It's also a problem if a prop firm accepts crypto payment but then they pay out in fiat. This can go against the money laundering laws. Could be a reason why they got shut down. For us it's obviously positive because now one of the biggest prop firms is gone, at least for now, and we are still operating. Also, we don't require you to pass a challenge. You can just get insta funded. We have a little bit more rules to protect ourselves, but eventually after showing consistency we put you on the hedge fund, on the A-book, and there you can trade the way you want. There's no limit, there's no restrictions, nothing, except for the max loss. So it's very exciting news, to be honest. I'm happy I'm not funded with my Forex funds myself. I don't know why I never did it. I maybe did one challenge years ago and I failed, obviously, and then I was just not so interested anymore in getting funded with them. Also with FTMO, just because of the rules. With my Forex funds it was just the fact that I knew they're complete B-book. There's no actual trading happening, so I thought eventually they're gonna go down because it's just a Ponzi, and that's the case with most prop firms. And now the question is, did they get shut down because they're a Ponzi scheme, or because they're offering trading services, or because they operate like an unregulated exchange from crypto to fiat, and this goes against the money laundering laws? I don't know, but what I know is it's not going to be the last prop firm that gets shut down by regulators, and that's why we at our prop firm VST, by the way I'm going to link it down in the description, why we made this setup like this to prevent exactly this from happening. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see what's going to happen soon. If I know more, I'm going to make an update. If you want to do me a favor, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on Instagram. I'm going to put my name here. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace out.